everyone, this is Cherry from Topa Hydraulic.
I am Lisa.
We are a vertical supply chain partner with 20 years experience and a trusted vendor for benchmark brands in the US and European.
Our factory produces a full range of hydraulic fittings, hose, and related hydraulic products, all compatible with Parker, Eaton, and European standards.
With end-to-end cost control, we help clients ensure fast lead times, consistent quality, and cost-effective solutions. We will be at WIN EURASIA in Istanbul, Turkey, from May 28th to 31st. Our booth is Hall 8, booth D232.
At our booth, you can see real product samples, get the latest market insights, and receive detailed technical reports. We will show you how we control thread tolerance, zinc plating, and sealing performance, not just the basic production.
We have prepared free samples and gift for all clients.
Don't miss this chance. Welcome to our booth.
Let's grow your business with Topa.